Operating a successful home business is easy with these tips. Whether you are considering starting up a home business or have been your own boss for years, it is important that you are always on the lookout for ways to drive sales and ensure success. This handpicked selection of home business tips and tricks is sure to contribute greatly to your achievements. Pay attention early on to your home office organization. In fact, map it out prior to purchasing anything for your office. If you don't, you can easily find yourself overwhelmed with various folders, shelving units and inbox solutions that will simply slow down your work. Take the time to maximize your efficiency. A website will do amazing things for your home business. It will attract a wider number of prospects, present you as a professional, and serve as the storefront to your business. Unless you are a whiz at site design, hire someone to make your site look as professional as possible. You really don't want to skimp on this, first impressions last. Look to your own passions or needs to create a product or business. The best products solve a problem or fill a need. Look at problems that need solving in your own life, and think of products that might solve them. Chances are, if you experience a certain type of problem, many others do too. If you are talented artistically, you can build a business around graphic design for companies in your local area. A lot of businesses that are local prefer independent designers instead of big companies because independent designers cost less, offer better service and are more flexible. This will put you in a position where you're better off than bigger companies sometimes. If you have identified the type of home business that you want to start, do research on the industry. To make a business plan, you need to understand your industry. Find out if there is a market for it, how much competition there is, and how much startup costs will be. All young businesses take quite a bit of time to really get up and running. Because of this, you should ensure that you have a secondary source of income until the home business is able to sustain itself as well as your household. This can come from a spouse, savings, or a part-time job. In addition to being your own boss and calling all the shots, owning and operating a business from your home is an opportunity to live the life you want while getting paid to pursue the things that you are most passionate about. Follow the advice in this video to enjoy a better home business. Student loan.